Today we're talking with Thomas Grassel, VP Developer and Community Relations at SAP. With a passion for tech, he was drawn to the Valley in the mid-90s where he hooked up with 3 more geeks to bring SAP applications to the web. Later he focused on bridging the world of Microsoft and SAP with Project Duet. Today, Thomas enjoys the best of both developer community and marketing worlds, heading developer relations. So Thomas, we're here at SAP Tech Ed, and you work with developer relations at SAP, and some very exciting things have happened in the education space. You guys have a lot of new products coming out, but it seems like you're providing the resources to bring your developers along. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, we just launched for Tech Ed the new SAP Developer Centers. Pretty easy to remember, developers.sap.com. And it's like really geared towards all the content, the information the developer is looking for to build up skills, learn about the different product, get interest, get to the trials, download, everything in developers.sap.com.
Fantastic. And so this is a whole new website. It sounds like it's a major investment on your part. What are you trying to accomplish that before wasn't happening?
So we always had like a website, but we've refocused it on the core learnings and building out the content for the developers, especially to get new skills trained up. That's what everybody out there, being a developer or a manager, is looking for. How do I get the skills, the developers trained up? And this is like also the investment. So we have over 800 tutorials now in the new developer center, and that's also tiered towards guided tours and also missions. So you really want to get started with a product like SAP Cloud Platform. We have a mission for you as a beginner down to like an expert level, and by completing the mission we guide you through, you learn it step by step, and in the end we also give you the credits, so we do some tests and you can get rewarded with badges, so we really see that you have done a good job on learning and understanding the topic.
And my understanding is that you have more journey-based learning. It's different than learning about specific products. It's now a little bit more situated in the work that developers actually do. Is that right?
Exactly. So we really looked into the experience what we had with developer relations and working with a lot of developers out there. Where are they? Like, where do they go? Like, so I have a developer who is on premise and wants to move to the cloud. And these are exactly the journeys we put together to really help them to learn and understand what is the skills I need to build up. Same also if I have a net new developer who wants to get started in the SAP world. How do I integrate with SAP? What are the questions? Like, what are the different interfaces? That's exactly. So we looked at the developer, the audience, the different types, the personas, and then designed the journeys around it.
Yeah, it sounds really exciting, and it's, I think, good for SAP and good for SAP customers. What's in it for the developer other than, they get some marketable skills? What else do they get from this new mission and badges model? Yeah,
so the thing is, like, of course, it's for everybody. Next to the learning itself, it's also a little bit of reward. So we guide you through, as I said, and then you can also get the badges. So if you go to your
They can
profile,
demonstrate objectively the knowledge
exactly.
they've acquired, right?
You go to your profile and then you see, like, okay, here are all the badges. You can show it to your manager or potentially like to your new employee.
Yeah, exactly. Well, fantastic, Thomas. Thank you very much. And there you have it. This is Diane Hinchcliffe, VP and Principal Analyst at Constellation Research from SAP Tech Ed Las Vegas.